Hey guys, so I was requested to share my yarn stash and I have quite a collection. This is not all of my yarn, but a lot of it. I'm sorry for the mess. And here, our bedroom is kind of like the catch-all room. It has all my review products and all of my yarn and all my already ready-made items all down the line there. And then I keep all of my review items all in that little cubby. So here's what I keep my yarn in. I do have, you won't be able to see it, but it's a under the bed storage area. My husband built this bed, and I keep all of these storage tubs stacked under there. I can fit 6 on each side. So I kind of try to keep my yarn organized, but when I find a good deal, I will buy as many yarns as I can. So these here have all of the Charisma yarn. That's everything in there, and it's pretty deep. I can fit 2 or 3 high, so that thing is completely full. That one mostly has Red Heart yarn, and I have some of the organic yarn. The one in the back is from the blanket that I'm working on for myself. Another Red Heart yarn. These are all baby yarns. Most of those are Vanna yarns and soft Red Heart soft. And then this is kind of like a hodgepodge small one. As soon as I get done making my blanket and hopefully using up most of those, I'm going to transfer this over and then use this tub for a craft box for Boo Boo. So this is not all of my yarn, and I do have like bags of yarn that I'm working on and half worked on projects. And so this is my main stash is what I would call it. And it seems like you never have that right color to make something. And you wouldn't believe that with all of these colors. But so there is my yarn stash for you.